Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add device to your Amazon account. First, visit the Amazon.com website and sign into your account. Now, tap on the account and list at the upper right corner. Click on your content and devices. Tap on devices. Click add device. Register your device with Amazon through the registration code method. The registration takes place in the Amazon Prime Video. To add devices to an Amazon account using this method, follow these steps. First, open the Amazon Prime Videos application. Second, choose the sign-in option. Third, visit the Amazon.com on a different phone or computer. Fourth, sign into your Amazon account. 5. Key in the registration code appearing on your Prime Video screen and wait for the registration process to complete. 6. After your device is registered, it will appear under Devices on your account, where you can access digital content on your new device by signing in to your Amazon account. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.